In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your leads to a list on Hunter.io email finder. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so from your Hunter official account, go ahead and choose leads. Here you'll see a list of all the leads that you have on your account. Now to add them to a list, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and select all of them or the specific that you so wish. However, if you wish to select all of them, just click on this first box. And if you check the first box, it will highlight all the other leads. Now to add to a list, go ahead and tap on this ellipsis. And here we have two options: add to a list. Choose this if you already have an existing list, or if you want to create a new list, go ahead and choose save as list. So if I choose the first option, it will go ahead and ask me to add this list to this existing list. But for my case, I want to create a new one, so I'll go ahead and choose save as list. So if I choose this, now I'll have to give the list name. So I've given it a name, and I can also create a folder if I so wish to add them to a specific folder. So I'll tap on create list, and now they have been added to official. And as you can see under my list, I have official here, and it contains 5 contacts. So that's how you can add contacts or leads to a list on Hunter.io. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.